How's it going this morning, everybody? Out here, gonna take some photos in the snow. Got ourselves quite the blizzard. Lots and lots of snow. All right, let's get it. That's so cool. So I can get that shot from a little further back. A little bit more in the frame. Be nice. Oh yeah, perfect. If I can't get the guy in with the shot there. That's too perfect. Such an amazing day for photos. Oh, it's really coming down. There we go. Oh, that's cool. Let's get across here. We got a little street sweeper with a plow on it. That's pretty cool. Shot. You guys are gonna have to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of these videos, anything you'd like to see in future videos. I know I'm always trying to improve the quality on these and make them as enjoyable as possible. You know, I like coming out here and taking these photos, and even more so, I love being able to share them with all of you. So if there's anything different you'd like to see, let me know. Or just basically, you know, if you guys enjoy the video all around. You know, these are relatively new to me, so just kind of getting a flow for everything, figuring out how I want to put them together, and like I said, just make them entertaining for all of you. So let's see if we can't get a picture of this guy coming across the intersection. That would be pretty neat. Heck yeah. So we'll jump this way. Get a cool little silhouette shot up here through the bus shelter. Nice lights, bouquet in the background. It sure is a different experience though, getting out here doing this in a blizzard almost. but it's honestly so much fun. And the pictures are just, oh man, I'm in love. Super cool. I really like that one. Coat coming by here. Decent. Let's see if I can get one here real quick. Well guys, I'm probably going to take maybe a few more shots and call it a day, honestly. Shoes are starting to get a little bit wet, so but I'll get a couple more here for you. What I can't get. Doesn't look too bad. Not at all, not too shabby. Very cool shot. Morning. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Probably gonna go home now, like I said, warm up, get my feet dry. My shoes are soaking wet out here. And then maybe do a quick Tim's run and grab some iced coffee and just kind of relax for the day, work on editing some shots and put this video together, throw it up on YouTube for you guys. And again, if you guys liked it, hit that subscribe button. I'd love to be able to share my journey with more of you and really just kind of sharing the experience of taking photos, street photography. And until next time, guys, thanks again. Take her easy. I'm out.